Jeff Bezos hails AI boom as good kind of bubble from Financial Times article. Amazon founders' comments follow warning by Goldman Sachs David Solomon that it's not different this time. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos has argued that the surge of investment in artificial intelligence is fueling a good kind of bubble, delivering lasting benefits for society even if share prices collapse as dramatically as his e-commerce company did 25 years ago. This is kind of an industrial bubble as opposed to financial bubbles, Bezoz said at a tech conference in Turin on Friday, drawing parallels with the dot-com era investments in fiber optic cable that outlasted many of the companies who deployed it and the life-saving drugs that emerged from the 1990s biotech boom and bust. The banking bubble, the crisis in the banking system that's just bad, that's like 2008. Those bubble society wants to avoid, he said. The ones that are industrial or not really nearly as bad, they can even be good because when the dust settles and you see who are the winners, society benefits from those inventions, he continued. That's what is going to happen here too. This is real. The benefits to society from AI are going to be gigantic. In a rare public appearance, Bezos, who is now Amazon's executive chair after stepping down as chief executive in 2021, was interviewed on stage at Italian Tech Week by John Elkann, the billionaire scion of Italy's Angelelli dynasty and the chair of automakers Stellantis and Ferrari. The wide-ranging conversation included a prediction by Bezos, who is also the founder of rocket company Blue Origin, that millions of people will be living in space in the next couple of decades. They'll mostly be living there because they want to, he added, because robots will be more capable of cost-effective than working in space. Vast AI data centers powered by the sun will also be built in space, he predicted. There has never been a better time to be excited about the future, Bezos declared. We are gifted to live in a moment in time where there are multiple golden ages going on. Asked by Elkann about parallels between the dot-com boom and the current AI fervor, Bezos recalled employees' nervousness and investors' distress as Amazon's share price fell from $113 to $6 in a very short period of time in 2000. But despite the furore, he argued Amazon's stock price became disconnected from the fundamentals and his business, which remained strong through the period. When people get very excited, as they are today, about AI, for example, every experiment gets funded, every company gets funded, he said. You can read the rest of the article on the website. There's a lot to read, but from what I've just read, it's quite interesting to see. And what he says kind of does make sense for me. I'm not too into business and economics and all of these kind of things and the stock market, but we have seen benefits from perhaps people getting really excited about something and putting all our money into it, and then crashing. The examples that he mentioned, and with AI, okay, right now it's the center of attention and a lot of money is getting put into it by private investors, by individuals, by government. And then when money doesn't get put into it, people will still have products available. Like we've seen so many things made using AI, whether it's software, whether it's actual products. And those products will not go away. When the money goes away, people will find different solutions, and they will have to find different solutions to make sure that they are still able to function as a company, sell their products, find solutions to problems. And at the moment, people are thinking, when will it happen? It hasn't happened yet, so while they can prepare for, you could say, the worst case scenario, but like Jeff says, I think it will be ultimately positive because we will see the benefit of what's happening now and in the future, and we will see, even when AI isn't the center of attention anymore and money is getting put into it, we will see the benefits of what has been allowed to be made and what would continue to be made, whether there's money in it or not.